Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the powerful take function in Excel. If you ever needed to extract a specific number of items from a range of data, then take function is your go-to tool. Whether you are a data analyst, a student, or simply looking to enhance your spreadsheet skill, understanding how to use the take function can help you save time and extract valuable insight. So let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Before we start the practical example, let's quickly go over the syntax of the take function in Excel. The take function allows you to extract a specified number of items from the range. Here's the basic syntax, that is equal take bracket start array comma count bracket close. The array parameter refers to the range of data you want to extract from, and the count parameter specifies how many items you want to extract. Now that we have the syntax covered, let's move on the practical example. So this is the sales data on which I am going to apply the take function. For this purpose, I will write equal take bracket start and now select the table. After selecting the array, then I will put comma, and now I have to specify the number of rows I want. So for example, if I want to get the first 3 records, I will write 3 and then close this bracket and press enter. Now you can see that we get the first 3 records from our dataset. So what about if I need the 3 record from the bottom? For this purpose, I will amend this formula and write -3 instead of the +3. So it means that if you write +3, it will get you the top 3 records. If you write -3, it will give you the bottom 3 records. So now I will show you another application of this formula. For this purpose, I am going to press Ctrl Z, and now I will write this function as equal take bracket start select my table array. After this, I will write comma. And now I'm not going to specify any row, so I will write another comma. And now I want only the first 2 columns of the table over here. So I will write 2 and then close this bracket and press enter. And now you can see that it is giving me only the first 2 columns of my data sets. So you can get the specified number of rows or you get the specified number of columns that you want in your new data. Now move towards another application of this function. First I am going to undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. Now here I will write equal take bracket start and first select the table array and then comma, and after comma I am going to write the number of rows. So if I need 5 rows, comma, and only the first 3 columns, so I will write 3 and then close the bracket and press enter. So now you can see that it is giving me the first 5 rows and 3 columns of my data set. So you can choose how many number of rows or how many number of columns you need, and you can use this function very easily for getting the specified number of results from your big data set. In conclusion, the take function in Excel is a valuable tool for extracting a specified number of items from a range with ease. It helps you quickly identify and analyze top performer, outliers, and any subset of data that you need for your data analysis. By using the take function, you can streamline your data extraction process and make informed decisions based on information at hand. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of take function in Excel. Don't forget to practice and explore its various applications in your own data analysis project. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.